Okay, so you've created your account for Arc and now you should be met with this screen. And on this screen, what Arc is going to try and do is import any of the information you have in one of your current browsers. So here you can see I was using Google Chrome, and I want to actually take everything from Chrome and import it into Arc. So I'm going to select that and say, yeah, go ahead and do that. You may be prompted to provide a password. This is normal on a Mac. There we go. Okay. And so Arc is now going to start talking to you a bit about this thing called the sidebar, and we're going to get more into that in the tutorials. So we'll walk through this and I'll talk a bit about it. Don't worry about organizing it just yet, but just understand that the way that Arc works is a little different from other browsers you may have used. There are a couple that might behave in a similar fashion, but Arc is all about what's called the sidebar. So here it's trying to promote the apps that you're going to potentially use most to place in your sidebar, and then adding Flare where you can actually pick colors to add to Arc and add dynamic kinds of just tells to which space you might be in. And then no more ads or trackers, so you can choose here. I'm going to say yes, block away. And then here we can enable Arc Max, but I'm not going to do it for now because I'm going to show you how to do it a little later, okay? But these are some of the really cool features that come with Arc Max. Okay, and then the final question is going to be if you want to make it your default browser. This is completely your choice. I'm going to say yes because I actually prefer to work with Arc. And then it's going to give you this nifty little card. So I am a shy charmer, apparently. You can re-roll this if you want to and get a different one. You can share it, you can save it. But this will be stored in your Arc profile whenever you go and look in your settings in Arc. And once you're done there, go ahead and click Get Started. And so here we are in Arc. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to go full screen with this, and we're going to kind of talk through Arc so that we can get to know what we're working with in this new browser.